Hi everybody, hope everyone's doing well. Well, today I have a haul for you guys. This is going to be a collective haul, and I think this is going to be split because I have a feeling that I will make this another long video. So let's get right into it. First, let's talk about Paparazzi. I ordered some more jewelry, and so let me show you the ones that I have on. They're like a filigree leaf kind of pattern, and it does have a little bit of a curvature to these. Love these. This is also one, but this is not one I ordered recently. I think I ordered this a while ago now. Yeah, so there's this all bunch of little hearts, but I thought they would go good together. Then I bought this ring. I thought this was so cute for spring and summer. I think that would be so pretty. Look at that. Really pretty. I have one like this, like white too. And then I picked this one up too. Let me show you. Look at that, guys. Look at that sparkle. Beautiful. Look at that. It's got like a champagne sort of amber kind of rhinestones to it. And then these are the earrings to it here. Gorgeous. Love this one. Then I picked this one up. I wasn't sure if I was going to like it. It's different, and I don't know. I didn't know if I was going to like it, but actually I'm very impressed with it. Let me show you. It looks like this, and it has different colors of metals. So we have copper, brass, and silver. So yeah. I think it's going to look nice. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Yeah, and then these are the earrings to it right here. These are the earrings. Then let's talk about Ulta, not Ulta. I placed an order for the 21 Days of Beauty. And then also I saw that they had Catrice online, and I was shocked because about a month ago I went into Ulta looking for Catrice. I had heard that the Hydrating foundation was really, really good. So I wanted to try it and couldn't find it. And I asked the sales lady if they carried Catrice. She didn't know. So she went and asked the manager. Manager said, no, we no longer carry Catrice. I was like, oh, okay, great. So when I went and did my shopping for the 21 Days of Beauty, I find Catrice. So apparently it's only an online thing from my understanding. So I did place an order there for that, and I'll show you that. Okay, so I saw this. This is the Catrice 1 Minute Face Perfector. There. And this is like a mousse consistency. There you go. It says here you can use this as foundation or as a pore filler. And I was really shocked. I hadn't read that. But you could tell that it's very, it is like a pore filling, like it'll fill all your pores for sure. And I've been using it. I used it twice already. I have it on today, and I used it yesterday when I was out and about. I think it does really, really good. I have a really, really big pore on my nose, and it did good filling it in. So far, I like this. I'm going to put the prices here, guys, because I don't remember, but I like this. I like this product. It's good. And it feels really nice. Very nice. Then I picked this up here. This is the 4 oils, almond, jojoba, argan, and rose. It's 4 oils, and it's a glow oil. And you put this on like 2 drops, and you put this on under your makeup. I've been using this as well for 2 days now, and it does give a little bit of a glow. Not too much, but it does. And I like it. It's not oily or anything. It goes right. I might have dry skin, so my skin absorbs it, but I like it. I like this. So far, I like this. So again, I'll put prices here. And then I found the Catrice, it's called True Skin Hydrating Foundation. Okay, I have it on today. I will say this is a tad bit too light, but the tone is perfect. This is neutral sand. And the tone to this one is perfect. It's not warm at all. It's not really cool. It's perfect. If this was just a tad bit darker in the shade, not the tone, but the shade, it would be good. So what I'm thinking, because this is not expensive, I'm thinking that I'm going to go ahead and order the one above it that's not warm tone, that's neutral, and I can mix it because it's just a tad. I mean, I don't know if you can tell on camera, but in person, I could see myself a little bit too light for me. But I wore it all day yesterday. I was out and about. I put it on around, I would say around 9. I didn't take it off till 9:30. I was outside outside visiting my grandma at a nursing home. And so I had to be outside. It was very, very humid. It wasn't hot. It was like 74 or something like that. It was nice. But it was very, very humid. And I think it held up pretty darn good. My mask had some makeup transfer, but not a heck of a lot. I did have a fabric type mask. So it might have, I don't know. I just didn't see a lot. But I will say, at around, I don't know, 7 o'clock at night, I had seen my skin and I could start seeing, breaking up. But again, I had a mask pretty much all day long. So, putting on and off the mask, that doesn't really give a good indication if this would have really completely stayed on. But so far, I like it. So I'll keep you posted on that one. Okay, let's move on. So what I ordered for the 21 Days of Beauty when I ordered that was this. This is the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus. Yeah, that's the one I ordered. Because mine is running low. Really, really low. I like this stuff. Let's put a little spritzer, shall we? Love it. Okay. So that's what I got for the 21 Days of Beauty. Yesterday, I went into Ulta. Like I said, I had I returned something and they put it on the card, an Ulta card. You can't use those online. So I had to go to the store yesterday looking for this foundation. This is the Pro Longwear Nourishing, and I am just about done. I don't know how many more uses I'm going to get out of this, but not much. So I'm babying this one. And online, they're out, NC30. They're out. All the stores in that area that I was in, and it was a big city, and all the stores around it within 20 minutes, out. But she said they'll get some, but they don't know when. Anyways, that's why I went in. And so, because I had some money on my card, I went ahead and picked this up. The MAC Pro Longwear Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. And I did use it today. I did. I love this stuff. The reason why I bought this is because I know I bought from Shop Miss A, I ordered the Amuse one that is in this tone, and I cannot find it, and I tore into everything. So either I accidentally threw it away or it is hidden somewhere really, really good because I cannot find it. And I really like that color. The one that I have from Amuse is the one that looks like Painterly. But sometimes I need something like in this tone. So I went ahead and picked it up. I took the last one too. They're out of all of this stuff too. Took the last one they had. And then I don't have it here with me. I must have left that particular bag in the car. Yeah, I don't have it with me. I bought them. I'm going to put a picture for you guys or come back in and do a quick edit. But I bought the a Morphe brush. I can't remember the number. I went to Ikea. I went back looking for some succulents. They had these succulents that I bought last time. I put them in a haul for you guys. I had bought one. And I went back because I had bought my daughter a macrame pot holder. And I thought they would be cute if I bought like 4 of them. She could put them in there. Well, they're all gone. I mean, all gone. I can't believe it, guys. And also at Ikea, they have these really cute, tinier macrames, and those are gone as well. I mean, but we put it into the computer, and they said they're going to be getting some like April 16th or something. So I'm hoping to still be able to go get more of the succulents hanging plants, and then a macrame, the small one. Okay, so while I was there though, I did pick up another one of the, and I say another because I had hauled this before. This is the adhesive, fabric adhesive. So I needed another one for this particular curtain that I bought here. This one is called Gertrude, and it's just see-through panels. Yeah, with a little bit of texture to them. Let me open this window. There, I hope you can see that better. Yeah, there you go. See that better. So, yeah. So it's called Gertrude, and you do get 2. And I think these were $9.99, I believe. And then I got this guy here, and it's not going to stay in this pot. This, I believe, was $5.99. I believe. Oh my gosh, don't quote me. But I have a yellow, small little yellow vase in my room, and it has a very tiny succulent, and it almost makes it look like it's a pineapple because of the shape of the vase and then the little stem. So I wanted something bigger. So I'm actually going to take this out of this pot because this won't fit in the vase and just use the greenery. I believe this was $5.99, guys. Yeah, so I got that there. They have really good prices on their greenery. I have to say, Ikea does. I mean, yeah, they can run up into the 30s and 40s, and there's some even more than that. But if you go to like Home Goods or Marshalls and you see the big greenery, they're like 120 plus. So it's pretty good. It's pretty decent. So there you go. And then the only other thing, we were on our way out, and then they have on the way out by the check stands, there's a room. It's like their scratch and dent kind of stuff. And they had these. So I picked them up. They had this one. They had this one. And they had this one. These 3. And these were $1. $1. Yeah, I thought I'd get them, and I'll put them up here in my room. So yeah, I picked these up for $1. Why not? And I think that was everything. That was everything we got at Ikea. We didn't get too much. Like I said, what we wanted, they were out of a lot of things. They were out of a lot of things, guys. That's crazy. So we're going to go back. We'll check and see, if they get those macrame in, and then some more of those pots with the plant just hangs down. It's really, really pretty. All right, my friends, that's it. I'm going to end it here, and then I'm going to continue. We're going to do Marshalls, TJ Maxx, and other Home Goods and things like that, and I'll come back and do that. All right, my friends, I hope you guys enjoyed. I will talk to you all very, very soon. Take care. Bye.